Welcome, I am Angela. Today is day 1 of our challenge. We are going to learn the verb to be, some feelings with some questions and answers. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this so others can find this video. Do you know the verb to be? Let's learn. The first one is I am. I am. Excellent. You are. You are. Excellent. You are. She is. He is. It is. She is. He is. It is. Let's hear. She, he, it is. Excellent. Very good. We are. We are. We are. Excellent. Very good. And they are. They are. Excellent. So what are they? Let's practice. I am. I am. You are. She is. He is. It is. We are. And they are. Excellent. Do you remember? Do you remember them? Let's check. I am. Very good. You are. Excellent. She, he, it is. Very good. She is, he is, it is. Next one. We are. Very good. And they. Same one as we are. Very good. Excellent. I am. You are. She is. He is. It is. We are. They are. Very good. Practice those. Now we're going to add some sentences. So with the verb to be, what is your name? What is your name? Let's practice that. What is your name? Excellent. Very good. What is your name? Very good. Again. Very good. Faster. What is your name? Excellent. One more time. What? Very good. Excellent. And we can say, my name is Angela. My name is Angela. Let's practice. My name is Angela. Or my name is what your name is. So my name is my. Very good. Excellent. Question. What is your name? Excellent. My. Very good. We can also say, what's your name? What is, what's the same thing. Okay, what is your name or what's your name? And you can say, my name is, or my name's Angela. Very good. We'll practice that as well. So our question, what are your name? No, right? What is your name? Excellent. Very good. And we say, my name is. Exactly. Very good. What is it? What's your name? My My. Excellent. And our question, what's? Very good. What's? Very good. My name is? Excellent. Very good. How's that? Good? So far, so good. Let's learn some feelings. Some feelings. Let's learn. Our first one, happy. Happy. Excellent. Happy. Happy. Very good. Happy. Excellent. And this one, sad. Sad. Excellent. Sad. Happy. Sad. Excellent. Very good. This one. Sick. Very good. Sick. 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 Excellent. Sick. Very good. And angry. 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 Excellent. Very good. What are they? Happy, sad, sick, and angry. Excellent. Do you remember? Let's see. What's this one? Happy. Very good. Happy. This one. Sad. Very good. Sad. This one. Sick. Excellent. Very good. And our last one. Angry. Yeah. Good job. Let's see. This one. Sad. Very good. Sad. How about this one? Angry. Good job. Very good. This one. Happy. Excellent. And the last one. Sick. Very good. Good job. So our feelings: happy, sad, sick, angry. Let's hear. Happy, sad, sick, angry. Happy, sad, sick, angry. Good job. Very good. So we have verb to be and feelings. Let's put them together. Our question, how are you? How are you? Let's practice. How are you? Excellent. How are you? How are you? Excellent. And we can say, I am happy. I am happy. Let's hear. I am happy. I am happy. Excellent. How about sad? How are you? I am sad. I am sad. I am sad. Excellent. Very good. This one. Sick. How are you? I am sick. I am sick. I am sick. I am sick. Excellent. Very good. I am sick. And our last one. How are you? I am angry. I am angry. Very good. How are you? I am angry. I am angry. Excellent. very good. Our question, how is you? No, right? How are you? Very good. Excellent. How are you? And I am angry. Excellent. I am angry. How about this one? How are you? Achoo. How are you? I am sick. Excellent. Very good. How about how are you? I am sad. I am sad. Very good. And the last one, how are you? I am happy. Excellent. I am happy. Very good. Let's practice. So, what's your name? Yeah, or what is your name? What is your name? Let's hear. What is your name? What is? Excellent. The answer? My name is Angela. Whatever your name is. My name is Angela. And this one, how are you? Excellent. How are you? How are you? I am happy. I am happy. How are you? Excellent. Very good. I am happy. I am fine. So today we learned the verb to be. Do you remember? I am, you are, she is, he is, it is, we are, they are. And our feelings, happy, sad, angry, and achoo, sick. Very good. And our question, what is your name? Yeah, practice. What is your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? We say, my name is, my name is, my name is, my name is Angela. My name is. Excellent. Very good. And how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Practice. How are you? How are you? How are you? Very good. I am happy. I am sad. I am sick. Or I am angry. Practice. We'll see you in our next video. Bye. Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.